Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to autofill same word in Microsoft Excel. So you have to use this trick. Type here number 1, then fill and series. Here select column. In stop value, type the number of your requirement. Like you need same data for 1000 rows. So type here stop value 1000 and click on OK. Now here type your data. Now double click on this corner. So in just one click you can type same word in thousands of rows like this. And if you want to convert this data into rows, so firstly make it in column, then copy and paste. So select here transpose like this. Now you can delete this both one. Select or select here and make it center like this. So thanks for watching.